extra hyped today, and we are extra excited today because we've got a brand new box. And whenever we have a brand new box, you guys, we are extra hype. And we do a little dance, our brand new box dance. You ready? We've got a brand new box. This one is super exciting, you guys. For those of you who are brand new, welcome to my channel. I know we're a little crazy, we're a little fun, we're a little extra here because we really enjoy unboxing monthly subscription boxes, quarterly, annually, all of those unboxings. We try to do them right here at Saving Mamacita. If there is anything you would love to see me unbox, please leave it down in the comment section down below and I will do my best to find a box for you. So, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and introduce to you our brand new box, and that has to do with a perfume subscription. We're gonna go ahead and open Luxe SB. If you go to their website, it's LuxSB.com. Luxe SB stands for Luxury Scent Box. Ooh, it sounds fancy, right? Luxury Scent Box. So when you go on their website, you guys, you're gonna be able to check it out. Now this is for men and women. They have a fragrance survey right on there. You can become a member. You can do the month-to-month plan. You can do an annual plan. You can do all of anything that works for you. They will work with you guys on whatever a membership you're looking at. So Luxe SB comes in this beautiful blue padded mailer. And inside, let's open this up. Here's what it looks like inside. Okay, so let's go ahead. It looks like there is a postcard here. It says, "Welcome to Luxe SB. Thank you for becoming a member, matching you with a perfect scent, one fragrance at a time. Sending and sharing our passion for scents from California." And then on the back of it, it says, "Love life with perfume. How to use your Luxe SB. So open and close, twist to open. Now you're ready to spray and enjoy." And then you twist to close it. Okay, we're gonna figure that out in just a minute. And then you can refill it as well. Pull the glass vial out of the case from the top, replace with a new glass vial in the case, twist to close. Okay, so, looks like we have a couple different postcards that they added in there as well. This says add-ons. Luxe SB add-ons are now available. Choose any fragrance during the month. It includes a Luxe SB case and free shipping, and the option is available in their product description. A little informational postcard there. And then I have another postcard here that says "Made in Pigalle from Paris with Love," a featured scent that they are showcasing inside. Inside we have, it looks like 3. They have some fun little confetti inside. And then they have 3 different scents here for me to try. So these are travel sprays, 3 of them. And it looks like this one here, does it say anything on the outside? No, just avoid spraying in eyes. We won't do that. Keep away from open flames, heat, and surface. We'll do that as well. It doesn't say the scent on the outside, so we're gonna open it up and see. Oh, so here's what it looks like. Okay. Oh, I see. You twist it up. Just twist up, and then it has a little spray thing here on the top, and then on the bottom you just twist it down. So I see, it's just a twist up and twist down concept. Let's take a little look here. Let's spray this. Not really smelling it. I can smell it here. Oh, there we go. Okay. That is actually, it's not too sweet. Of the 3 scents I received, I'm guessing this is probably the Made in Pigalle is shown here on the postcard. It's from Saint Germain, Pigalle, Marais, and other legendary neighborhoods. The fragrances capture the true essence of Parisians, colorful and inspirational. Okay, let's look at the next one here. This one has like a green top. You see that? This one's silver and this one's kind of like an aqua bluish green color. And we're gonna spray that one. That one smells really good. I'm gonna say that's the Montale vanilla cake. That would be my guess. Because it has that vanilla scent to it. The notes are subtly mixing milk, grilled almond, warm caramel, and vanilla from Madagascar. A real yogurt cake just out of the oven with a delicious meringue silage. That one does smell really good. Vanilla cake, I like that a lot. Like, this is one that I will definitely wear. It's got the almond powder buttercream. And then the mid notes are the milky mousse caramel and the bottom notes are the meringue vanilla. Super, super good, super yummy. Okay, the next one is, it looks like it has like a yellowish top to that one. My guess is this one is the ILK Contradictions Sincere. I guess we're gonna take a look and see. So this one is, yes, I think this is Sincere by ILK. It is an extrait de Perfume. Luscious peach nectar and ginger blossom nuzzle up to the soothing notes of warm milk, creamy ylang ylang, and amber. Aww. Orris and saffron find their own strength amongst the balmy cream of coconut musk. Yes, that is what that is. Oh my goodness, it smells really good too. I like that. Yes. It's got that peachy smell. Yum. That is really good too. So the top notes, peach nectar, warm milk, ginger blossom. Mid notes, the creamy ylang ylang, orris ambrette. And the bottom notes, saffron, amber, coconut musk. This is a collection of gender-free, cruelty-free, and planet-friendly scents inspired by human nature and intended to celebrate its many nuances. It smells like good enough to eat. That's how freaking good it smells. So this one, yeah, that's the more of the musky one. So this is Marie and Marais by Made in Pigalle. This is a green fruity fragrance, is what it says. The top notes, the grapefruit. Mid notes, white flowers, rose. Bottom notes, iris, patchouli, white musk. White flowers, rose. That is why I'm not a big fan of this one, because it's got the rose scent in it. This one is more of like a musky, a stronger scent. Definitely more masculine, I feel like. Okay, so all three of these scents, you guys, I got them. This is a month's supply, so $15.95 is what it starts out as. They are all unisex scents, so definitely something you can share with your partner if you so wanted to, that kind of thing. This is the very first scent subscription box that I actually have ever received. So it was very super exciting for me. I wasn't sure what to expect. I love the fact that it is not as an expensive subscription box as I initially thought it would be. What I love about Luxe SB is that it is a women-founded and owned business. Only thing I can think of that was kind of difficult for me was not knowing what these scents were. There was not a postcard on here that explained the 3 scents that were included in my subscription. So I kind of had to guess. As you guys could see, I had to guess which scents they were. So that made it a little bit difficult for me. Go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. All right, Luxe SB, this was super fun. I loved smelling the different scents that you picked out for me. I love that 2 out of the 3 I actually really enjoy and I'm going to wear them. The third one, not so much. It was a little bit too masculine, a little bit too musky for my liking. Let's go ahead, put our thinking hats on. What are we gonna rate this particular box, you guys? What would you rate the box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. You're gonna get a, drum roll please, Luxe SB, you get a rating of a 6.5. 6.5. If you like the video, please give me a big like. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we will see you